Neatum seed structure is here. After fertilization, the ovule convert into seed. After fertilization, the ovule convert into seed. The seed contain integument layers. That integument layers are called testa tegmen. We called integument layer before the fertilization of ovule. But after fertilization, that integument layers are convert into or develop into testa tegmen. Ovule coats, ovule envelopes are convert into seed envelopes. The seed envelopes are testa and tegmen. Testa is outer layer, tegmen is inner layer. These two layers are protected to inner parts. Below the seed coat and below the testa tegmen, haploid cells are present in a large quantity. The haploid cells are called endosperm. It is a nutrient tissue. The nutrient tissue is called endosperm. That endosperms are supplies nutrients to developed embryo. And at the micropylar region of ovule, after fertilization, it convert into seed pore. Micropylar region convert into seed pore after fertilization. At the micropylar region, new cellular cap is present. New cellular cap is present. It is in diploid condition. Above the new cellular cap, embryo is present. The embryo containing mainly two portions. Lower portion is called hypocotyledon. Upper portion is called epicotyl. Lower portion is called hypocotyl. Upper portion is called epicotyl. In hypocotyl, root part is present. The root part is called radicle. The radicle or root part present in the lower part of embryo called hypocotyledon, and upper part is called epicotyledon. In this epicotyledon, pulmule is present. Pulmule means shoot apex. Pulmule is present, including pulmule, cotyledons are present. In gymnosperms, more number of cotyledons are present in the embryo. So the matured embryo containing only two major parts. One is hypocotyledon and epicotyledon. Hypocotyledon is the root part of embryo. Epicotyledon shoot part of embryo or pulmule part of embryo. It is the seed structure of Neatum.